Okay, next. Anong place value ng 7? Anong place value ng 8? Very good. Place value ng 6? Very good. Okay. Anong place value ng 9? Place value ng 2? Place value ng 1? Very good. Car, anong place value ng 1? Place value ng 8? Place value ng 4? Very good. L, anong place value ng 2? Place value ng 5? Place value ng 8? Very good. Place value ng 8? Very good. Place value ng 7? 7? Yan. Place value ng 8? 8. Ones, tens, hundreds. Anong kanyang place value? Very good. Next. Nate Hiram, anong place value ng 7? Place value ng 9? Place value ng 8? Very good. Place value ng 4? How about 6? How about 3? Very good. Anong place value ng 3? Ng 6? Ng 4? Very good. Next. Place value ng 9? Place value ng 3? Place value ng 8? Very good. Anong place value ng 9? Place value ng 7? Place value ng 3? Very good. Diyan ha. Place value ng 6? Place value ng 7? Place value ng 8? Very good. Tens po lahat. Okay, anong place value ng 6? Place value ng 9? Place value ng 2? Very good. Next. Antea, anong place value ng 8? 4? 2? Very good. Okay, anong place value ng 8? 7? 9? Very good. Okay, anong place value ng 8? Ng 4? Ng 6? Very good. Okay, anong place value ng 3? Ng 3 ulit? 3? Ng 6? Very good. Next. Okay, anong place value ng 4? 9? 3. Very good. Place value ng 8? Ng 8 ulit? Ng 7? Next. Number 4. Next. Number 9. Number 7. Very good. Next, Jacob.